So in the last class we studied about rectification of polar curves. In this class we shall study about rectification of polar curves. That means we will find the length of the polar curves. So what is the equation of polar curves? It is r is equal to f of theta kind, where r is given as some function of theta, and within this range, when theta varies from theta 1 to theta 2, then what is the length of that particular curve? That is calculated using this formula. Integration theta varies from theta 1 to theta 2, square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square d theta. So this is the formula that you have to remember. Moreover, sometimes theta is given in terms of r. So in that case, instead of calculating what is r in terms of theta, what you can do, you can use this formula, where the values of r is given in this range r1 to r2. So that is integration r1 to r2 within this limits, because here the integration is being performed with respect to r. So this thing is equivalent to square root of 1 plus r square d theta by dr whole square. So this is the formula. So let us see one question related to this. So we are given this curve r is equal to a sine square theta by 2. So this is a polar curve and we are to find the length of this curve. Now they are saying find the length of any arc on this curve. So suppose whatever is this curve, so you are to find the length of one particular arc. So say at this particular point the value of theta is theta 1, and at this particular point the angle made by this arc is, that is theta 2, say with the initial line, right? So in that case we say we will calculate the length of this particular curve from the points theta 1 to the points theta 2. So in this formula we need the value of r that we have with us. It is given in the question a sine square theta by 2. The value of dr by d theta is to be calculated. So this value is obtained when we differentiate this particular curve with respect to theta. So the derivative of r with respect to theta is dr by d theta. A being constant come as such, then the derivative of this quantity. So firstly we'll perform the derivative of this power. So it would be 2 sine theta, and then we will perform the derivative of sine theta by 2. So it would be cos theta by 2, and then the derivative of this angle. So the derivative of this angle with respect to theta, that is equal to 1 by 2. So this is in accordance with chain rule of differentiation. So this 2 and 2 they cancels with each other, so we are only left with the value of dr by d theta as a sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So this is the value of dr by d theta. So to calculate this length of this curve, we'll perform this integration from theta 1 to theta 2. That would be square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square d theta. So the value of r is a sine square theta, we have substituted it over here, it's square, and the value of dr by d theta is this one. So this is this one. So you just now have to perform this calculation. Firstly we'll square the terms, so it would be a square, the square of this one would be power 4, then a square sine square cos square d theta. Then we can take a square sine square theta by 2 common, and we'll be left with sine square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2, and whose value is equal to 1, because sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is a square, this is a square sine square theta by 2 square root. So this square will cancel with the square root, so we'll be left with a sine theta by 2 d theta. So now a is constant, it will come out of integration, and what is the integration of sine theta by 2? It is minus cos theta by 2 divided by whatever is the coefficient of this angle. So the coefficient here is 1 by 2, so we will divide by 1 by 2. And the limits are from theta 1 to theta 2, so the limit, we'll substitute the limits from theta 1 to theta 2. So this becomes minus 2a, and then we have cos of theta 2 by 2 minus cos of theta 1 by 2. So this is the final answer. This is the length of the given curve. So I hope this topic is clear to you.